Who's your chiro?
I'm here today with Mr. David. How we doing, sir?
Good man.
My dude. David is an actor and a fight trainer. Been a martial artist for many years, isn't that right?
Yep.
Yes, sir. And you know, I know firsthand, been training myself now for a little over a year, very consistently. Just beats up the body, bro.
Yeah.
Like bad. Right? I think I've had more injuries in the last year and a half than in a long time.
Yeah. I mean, you know, you consistently try and push your body past its limit. So.
Oh yeah, all the time.
Yeah.
It's about to happen,
yeah.
right? We've been here. What has it been like? About a month or so now.
Yeah, about a month.
How's been your experience so far?
It's been amazing. Like, even after the first adjustment that I had, I noticed like kind of like a lightness to my body.
Wow.
I already felt taller.
Wow.
Like my range of motion and my mobility.
That's
improved.
a huge one, especially if you're fighting. You got to be able to, you know, look around and right.
Well, the majority of the stuff that I do is with weapons, like bladed work, so like broadsword, sword and shield, that kind of stuff, or whatever. So like the weight of holding something in your arms,
That stuff's heavy.
and stuff. Yeah, and it's taxing because you're doing it over and over and over again for a long period of time. So just being able to keep that endurance up, and then just like feeling like I can feel my what's the word, proprioceptive?
Yeah,
you know,
you
response,
got
right?
it, man. You got
it. You know, understanding where my body is in space, which is so important when doing the fight choreography for film and television, is knowing where I am, where my partner is, where the equipment is, all that kind of stuff.
Just perception, right?
Yeah, exactly.
Amazing, brother.
Yeah,
Amazing.
So it's been opening a lot of that up. Back to it.
It's such an honor, man. It's such an honor. Let's get you dialed in, man. We're gonna start over here today. Shoulders loose. Got these massive traps, bud. You can feel it stop right there. Let's have your palms up like this. Head relaxed. Holy restriction. You feel that? Doesn't want to go. Okay, and then we go this way. You see how easy that turns?
Yeah.
You see how just your body's like helping, right? And then we go back into extension. You feel how it rocks?
Yeah.
So we're gonna look straight ahead. This arm comes here like a delt raise. Hold yourself up here, sir. Push. And then tongue into your left cheek. Right against my fingers. Push. Push up here. And then it just goes weak. Tongue into your right cheek. Push up. Solid. Look at that, right? I'm gonna turn your head this way. And it just, you see how it just doesn't want to move? So we're gonna put some motion into that, sir. You're gonna breathe in and out. Turn your head all the way to the left. Let it go. Breathe in and out. There, perfect. Congratulations. Your head is now back on your shoulders.
Right? Yeah, that's exactly what it feels like.
That was quite a big adjustment.
Yeah, there was a lot of movement there.
Yes, sir. Your base of your skull was like that on your spine.
Yeah. That explains a lot, I guess. Like it moves so easily now to the left.
Isn't that unreal?
Yeah, it's super wild.
Yes, sir. Wow. Yeah, look at that breath that just came in. Breathe. And drop your left shoulder a little bit. Drop again. Drop a little. No, that's not moving right there very much after the first one. Stand up, sir. Let me slide this chair over to this way, out of our way. Head down, big guy. Hands on top of mine here. Squeeze down, chest up. Fall. Yeah. Wow. Wow. Now let's lay on our tummy, sir.
We didn't get any movement from last time. We tried doing that, so that's awesome.
That's a huge change.
Yeah.
You're gonna breathe in and out. Again and out. Lift your head up. Beautiful, sir. What a big difference. Hips relaxed. Hamstring curl here, push back. Hamstring curl here. This one pulls in, David. This one here, push in. Okay, firing on all cylinders today, sir.
Yeah, I was telling Dr. Gary, I abused my lacrosse ball this week because I was like, I'm not trying to fail any tests.
I love it. Lay on your left side. You want to be a good student.
Yeah.
So you've been the self-care game.
Yeah.
There we go, right there. Yep, all the way there.
Oh, yes.
Wow.
Yes.
Come on over this way, sir. Let's actually go to your back for a second. Keep relaxed. Wow. Now you can come onto your side.
I didn't even know those were out.
I can just
It's
feel
so
the
weird though,
tension
like I
built up.
feel the difference.
Yeah, I could feel the tension. It's the kinetic chain from the lower back to the knee,
Yeah.
to the foot. Breathe. There you go. Head stays there, hips can roll. There we go. Wow. Dialed in.
Yeah, buddy.
Come on, tighten those abs. Come on up here. All right, turn around this way, facing this way. Chest up. Arm relaxed. Relax here. I know that all those weapons you were talking about must play a taxing role in the shoulders, right?
Yeah, for sure.
On the arms, head relaxed, shoulders loose. There's a little bit of motion there.
Yeah.
Same thing, you feel that?
Mm.
All right. Let's get you a proper alignment, my dude. Last but not least,
Awesome.
all
Thank
the
you,
love.
man.
You're welcome, brother. Let's get you on a traction.
Let's do it.
Can the body heal?
Yeah, absolutely.